Hey everyone, welcome back! In the previous video we set up our Canvas project and created our first controller. We saw how Canvas automatically discovers routes and validates parameters without any configuration. Today we're going to build on that foundation. We're going to add proper templating with Smarty, a mature PHP template engine. Let me open up the project we built in the previous video. We had a home controller with a few basic routes. Now let's make this look professional. Alright, let's set up proper templating. I'll start with a base layout template. Let me paste in some basic HTML structure. There we go. This gives us a clean layout with navigation and the content area where our pages will be injected. Now let me create a template for our home page. And I'll paste in the home template content. This will loop through our posts and display them as a list. Now I need to update my controller to use this template. First, let me extend base controller. Canvas provides this base class with helpful methods like render. Instead of returning a response directly, I can call return this render, pass in the template path, and an array of data to pass to the template. Let me create some sample data. An array of posts with ID, title and excerpt. Let's test this. And there we go. Much better looking and completely template driven. Now let's create a proper block controller to handle our posts. Same setup as before. First the namespace, then our class. We'll let it extend base controller for all those handy methods. Next I'll create an index method that shows all our posts. The route will be posts. Let it return a response. We'll use the same data as our previous example. I will let it return a template. Block index.tpl. I will use the posts as our parameter. There we are. Now I also want a method to show individual posts. So let's add that to the controller. The route will be posts ID. Notice I'm using that integer constraint again. I'll add the array of posts, then check if the requested post exists. If not, I'll return a 404 using Canvas's not found helper method. Otherwise, I display the template block show TPL. Now I need templates for these. Let me create block index.tpl. I'll paste in the block listing template. And block show.tpl for individual posts. Let me paste this in. So let's test this out. First we'll go to /posts and we see all posts. Clicking on the post takes me to the individual post. And if I try post 999, I get a proper 404 error. Great! Our block is basically ready for production. Well, minus the actual content and users, of course. So, in this video, we've built a complete block application with clean annotation-based routing, automatic route discovery and parameter validation, and Smarty templating with layout inheritance. In the next video, we're going to replace this sample data with a real database using Canvas's ObjectCal ORM. You see how Canvas makes database queries feel as natural as working with PHP objects, and will add features like creating and editing posts. The complete code for this tutorial is on GitHub, link in the description. If you want to see more Canvas tutorials, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for coding along with me through both parts, and I'll see you in the next one where we dive into the database layer.